Welcome to my dear students and viewers. This is Panchagram High School and College. This is a virtual class. My dear students, how are you? I hope that you are very well, and I also hope that you are very doing well. Dear students, in the previous classes, I discussed some rules of the tech questions. You have learned the rules of tech questions. Yes, I will discuss some tech questions and dear students and viewers, you know there are 24 operators used in tech question. You know 24 operator. My dear students, I want to say something about the operators. You have learned the 24 operator. The operator is used in tech question. You follow the operator is such M. It will be negative form ain't, is. It will be negative form isn't, are, aren't, was, wasn't, have, haven't, has, hasn't, had, hadn't, shall, shan't, will, won't, can, can't, could, couldn't, may, mayn't, might, mightn't, must, mustn't, used to, usen't, ought to, oughtn't, would, wouldn't, should, shouldn't, need, needn't, dare, daren't, do, don't, does, doesn't, did, didn't. My dear learners, actually this operator is used as a model verb. My dear learners, model verb used in tech question. You follow here, set some sentence. I will answer this sentence. My dear learners, okay, my dear learners and viewers, you follow these questions. Question number A, health is wealth. Is doing verb. Is affirmative, so it will be negative. Isn't. Dear learners, subject is health. Pronoun will be it. Question number B, one can keep good health by obeying the rules health. Dear learners, there is a operator can. Can is affirmative form, so it will be negative form can't. Dear learners, 1 is subject. It expresses plural number, so it will be pronoun they. Question C. He is to eat a balanced diet. Dear learners, follow model bar of is. Is affirmative and it will be negative form isn't. Here is a subject he, so it will not be changed. He. Question D. He has to take a regular physical exercise. Operator is has. Has is affirmative form, so it will be changed negative form hasn't. Subject is he. He is a pronoun, so it will be he. Question A. He must enjoy sound sleep. Dear learners, must is operator and must is negative affirmative form, so it will be changed in negative mustn't. There are also subject he will not be changed he. Question F. Early rising is a good habit. There is a operator is of affirmative form and it will be changed negative form isn't. My dear learners, subject is early rising. Early rising is a singular number, so pronoun will be it. Question G. An early riser get up early morning. Dear learners, you follow the operator. There is no operator in this sentence. Get up. Get up is main verb. Early riser gets up. The gets up operator will be does, and early riser and gets up word is affirmative, operator will be negative doesn't. Subject is an early riser. It is also singular subject. It will pronoun, the pronoun will be he. Question is, he can enjoy fresh air. The operator is can. Can is affirmative form, so it will be negative form can't. Subject is he is a pronoun, it will be not changed. Question I, he wants to keep fit. The main verb is wants. Adding by es with verb. So operator will be does and it will be negative form doesn't. Subject is he. It will be no changed. He. Dear learners, last question. Everybody want to be healthy. There is no operator in this sentence. Main verb is want. Want, so it will be operator does. The verb is affirmative form. It will be negative form doesn't. Subject is everybody. If it is to see, plural, but it will be singular, he. They. My dear learners and viewers, this is virtual classes. If you follow the online classes, you will be benefited for your next exam. I hope you will follow the every online classes. I hope you will do better in future. Thank you, dear learners and viewers.